Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you an easy way to install Nova TV app to your Firestick or Android TV. So Nova TV is an amazing app which people use to watch movies or TV shows online. I actually had to blur out my screen a little bit because YouTube does not allow me to show you what's inside this application. But trust me, it's going to allow you to find loads of content. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get Nova TV to your Firestick. First of all, we'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, here it is, open it and start typing Downloader in the search bar. As you can see, here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, we still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we actually gotta go to settings. So here we are, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. Here we have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and here turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, open it. And there's the Downloader app, which we just set up and it's ready to use. However, before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server, let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your internet traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but would like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you 3 months of NordVPN for free. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open the Downloader application. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And then here in the search bar, we'll have to enter a code, which is going to be 497013. So once again, the code is 497013. Make sure to enter the code exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make any mistake, the code is not going to work for you. After that, click on Go and let's wait until the download starts for us. Now you have to click on Install and wait until Nova TV gets installed to your Fire Stick. After that, do not click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore. So click on Delete and then delete once again. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. Scroll down to the bottom and there is Nova TV app. Now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, Nova TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online.